Thanks so much for being here. I'm continuing into the pool room, and at this moment I have found a 1902, which looks a lot like some versions, I think, of a 1084 and a 2000, or a 1080. And I think there was also a 2002, and they all seem to look much the same. This was, of course, from what I remember, designed for the 128. Now, I don't have a 128 right in front of me, but I do have a 64. First thing to test is the power switch. Ooh. And it does indeed light up. This is a monitor that has a little door that doesn't want to open. Hello. Okay, it's opened. Okay, so there are many things that can be altered, including RGB, separate, or composite. I think I'm gonna try for just composite. I think. But I gotta see what's what here. Oh. Let's see. Well. Let's see here. It is hard to tell if anything is happening. Well, that does seem to be audio. It's hard to tell if anything is happening out the front when you were looking at the back. Aha! Something has happened. Look at that. Now I do... Well, that looks pretty okay. Oh. It's funny. Ooh. I've never had one of these doors. So, there we go. That sounds good. Yes. As I think I mentioned, there are middle positions on these switches, and that usually makes it look pretty okay. So, this monitor does appear to work. It does need a little tidying up. I think it's had some stickers over its lifetime, I think. And you know, I mean, I haven't checked the date, but this monitor has been around for more than 30 years, I would suspect. I could check the date, if we did go in the back here. Just a moment. Oh, I should have looked. November 1985. So it is entitled to have some dust and smuts upon it. Anyway, I will, of course, look for... Oh, look, it even has an audio output. Ooh, I can test that. There we go. Kind of loud in there, but it does work indeed. So I suppose in order to make sure that this is fully functional, which I know it is, I should look for the cable to go with the 128 in 80 column mode. I should. Just a second, I'm afraid at this moment that if I leave these on and don't do something here, there's going to be trouble. That seems reasonable. Yes. Very good. So, another working monitor. I forgot that they had sort of the universal earplug jack. That would have been handy, as it still is. Anyway, I guess the next thing I will do is see about giving this a little tidying. I will. It too looks like it, well, you know, computer rooms and man caves and other places that these things have lived for 36 years. You know, things happen. Like there's some schmutz here. I think that will come off. I think it'll all come off. But at least it works. So, I will gather my cleaning supplies and see what I can do with this. So stay tuned to see this 1902 come back to its glory. And of course I will try and find... Oh, there's a cat outside the back door. Penny! Penny! It wasn't Penny. Penny doesn't go outside. At least I hope it wasn't Penny. Anyway, I need to do some work on this. So, thank you very much for coming. We'll talk about more monitors when we return. I'm going to go and see about that cat.